Come with me for a willow basket weaving course with a wonderful intergenerational group of women. The first week we gathered at a farm on a swamp to gather our willow and dogwood. We're looking for last year's growth in these long, thin suckers. Harvesting like this encourages more growth, but I still made sure to thank every tree as I gathered. We saw some massive moose tracks in the snow, which is not surprising, swamps are their habitat. The last step of the week was to take our thickest pieces of willow and dogwood and put them into these circular frames made of nails and boards. This would train them into curved shapes for the next week. Now that these pieces were curved, the very thickest ones could be wrapped into circles and fitted snugly together as the rims and handles of the basket. The other ones became the ribs. This was the trickiest part because the weaving was so narrow, but we made these god's eyes at the end to hold them together, and then we slotted our ribs in to make the full shape of the basket. Finally, it was time to weave. Starting at the edges of our god's eyes, we wove over each of the ribs and around each of the rims, going in toward the center. Here you can see my basket beginning to come together. And here we all are on the last day of the workshop with all of the progress we've made.